What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about interface. Okay, what is an interface? So, an interface already have that interface console right here. So, what is an interface? So, interface is another way to achieve abstraction in C Sharp. If you go back on my videos, I already did an abstraction video about it. Oh man, where is it? Oh man, it's somewhere in here. Abstraction. Where are you? Constructor. Well, I already did an abstraction. Okay. If you just go through, I just need to find where the video is. I think I already passed it. Okay. Anyway, so it gotta be somewhere in there. But anyway, so abstraction. Let's go back. Oh man, I got a lot of tabs open. Anyway, so an interface is a completely abstract class, which can only contain abstract methods and properties with empty bodies, right? Let's create an abstraction right here. Let's create another class. Let's create our base class right here. Let's see. Let's see. Class. We already have an interface right here. Yeah, we can do that, or we can just change it. You know. Let's do what do we sport cards. We have been working with the sport cards. That, and we should have another class right here. Okay. So right here we can change this to say interface. Interface like that. Okay. That's our base class right here. Base class. So then we can have some methods. There's going to be empty methods right here. So we can say maybe void. What should we say? Uh, Price information. Price information right here, and then we just do another one void. We're going to say miles per hour. Miles per hour. So you get two methods right here. Okay. So in order to but let's not forget that we have to add uh, we gotta add right here in our class. We gotta say I sport cards. So that will be our interface. So now right here, let's create our, this works as a inheritance, similar to inheritance. So let's create our two derivate classes where the implementation of this method is going to happen. So which is going to be just a regular class. um so what do we say right here? Lamborghini. Man, why do I always do Lamborghini? Maybe one day I will have a Lamborghini car, one day, who knows. Maybe with a nice salary with programming. Yeah, maybe, right? The nice one. Okay, right here. So now we gotta use the sport cards. The I sport cards. Okay, right here. Oh, come on. So let's see. So that's going to the implement interface. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, cool. Our two methods got, so C Sharp is so smart, it already knows what we have to do. So let's create Ferrari too. Ferrari, and let's just do Ferrari. Ferrari, let's add it, pan, and let's do the same thing. I sport cards. Okay, let's go to do the same thing over here. Let's see. Let's just do the implementation. Okay, cool. Cool beans, miles per hour. So that's where we're going to do the implementation right here. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go back to our Lamborghini, and we're going to say right here, maybe, is that what we said? Miles per hour? Price information. Okay. So Lamborghini, let's just do console that right lane semicolon, and right here we're going to say Lamborghini, how many miles per hour goes? Lamborghini goes what is it, 300 miles per hour, 300 miles per hour, that's what it goes. Price information, let's just copy this line of code and paste it right here, and right here we're going to say, man, Lamborghini, the price for a Lamborghini is $500,000. $500,000. Okay, cool. Let's save that, and let's go to our Ferrari. You know what? Actually, let's just copy all of this. So the copy, and that way we don't have to pan right there. So how much is Ferrari's? Let's just 200,000. Oh, yeah, 200,000 miles. And how much it costs a Ferrari? Let's put 300,000. Okay, let's save it. We should be good. Now let's go to our main class right here. Let's get rid of this, and let's create our object right here. So let's just do Lamborghini. Okay, okay, Lamborghini right here equals to new Lamborghini. Okay, let's go back semicolon, and now we just do Lamborghini that, and then we just do what do we do? For the method? Yeah, miles per hour. Just do miles per hour. It should give us the miles that we did in here. And also let's do what else do we do? Lamborghini that see price information, we have it right there. Cool beans. And also let's just do the same thing for our Ferrari. Ferrari equals new Ferrari. This semicolon, let's just do the same thing over here. Ferrari that miles, yeah, let's just do miles per hour, and then we just do Ferrari again that we just do price information. All right, and that should give us, let's run the program, our interface program, and it should give us the different prices, and it's taking a little bit longer, but it's almost there. It's building it, and 1 two, come on, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and nice, we have it. Okay, our Lamborghini goes 300,000 miles per hour. The price for a Lamborghini is $500,000 right here. Or our Ferrari goes 200 miles per hour, and the price for a Ferrari is $300,000. See, that's how we use interface. The implementation always happens on the derivative class, right? All right, guys. Hopefully this kind of help you out. It's just a very small, short video, but very informative. All right. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're going to keep pumping out more videos every single day. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. Okay. Bye bye.